Hello students, myself Dr. Raghavan Singh, Department of Soil Science, Faculty of Agriculture Sciences and Allied Industry, Rama University, Kanpur. Now today discuss topic soil erosion. Soil erosion. What is soil erosion? Soil erosion, detachment of soil particle from one place to another place by wind, by water, etc. And now in India, annually soil erosion approx 5,334 million ton soil are eroded in one place to another place, and in India 16.34 tons per hectare soil are eroded. Now type of soil erosion. First one, geological erosion. First one, geological erosion. Geological erosion is a natural process that is maintain soil surface, soil health, and disturb up and down soil layers. Second one, water erosion. Water erosion. This type of soil erosion caused by water as against is called water erosion. In India, approx 32.8 million hectare are affected by water erosion, and different subtypes of water erosion. First one, splash erosion. Splash erosion, movement of soil particle from one place to another place by the hit the raindrop. This one, raindrop move down and hit soil surface. Soil particles are move mother place to another place. Soil particle maximum height 60 centimeter and maximum length 1.5 meter. And second one, water erosion types, sheet erosion. Sheet erosion, the removal of soil in the layer of raindrop, impact and shallow surface flow. This erosion is very harmful erosion. Disturb the soil nutrient, organic matter, soil texture, structure. It is very fine layer moved by water, and with nutrient and organic content and different minerals. It is very harmful. Erosion for soil health. And next one है rail erosion. Rail erosion is a primary stage of gully erosion. Rail erosion formed is the intermediate process of transforming to gully erosion. This type erosion are mostly nearby railway track या roadside and slope type land. This type rail erosion is very small channel are developed by water. Rail erosion are maximum depth 30 centimeter and width less than 50 centimeter. This type erosion is primary stage of gully erosion, and This type erosion develop as vegetative growth or loss, vegetative cover soil are disturbed, then by water. Then this type erosion is increased. Next one है gully erosion. Gully erosion is very the advanced stage of rail erosion transformed into initial stage of gully. Gully formation are initiated when the depth and gully are deeper channel. This is more than 50 centimeter. This length and width. Gully erosion are 4 types. Gully 1, gully 2. There are different types, depth and width, type of gully. Depth, width and slope. Gully 1, gully 2, gully 3 and gully 4. They are different size of gully erosion are discussed. Gully 1, depth less than 1 meter and width less than 18 meter and slope less than 6%. Gully 2, gully erosion second. Gully erosion second 1 to 3 meter is depth and width less than 18 meter and plus less than 6%. And gully 3, depth is 3 to 9 meter and 3 to 9 and width 18 meter and slope size 6 to 12%. And gully third are more than 9 meter depth and more than 18 meter width and more than 12% are slope. And fifth number, tunnels. They type erosion carry when surface water move into and through disperse soil from one place to another place. And fourth one, landslide. This type erosion is mostly hilly area like Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand and Himachal. Next one, seventh, stream bank. Flow of water is flow of water in a stream that leaching या move down या overflow of water, then cut off boundary and move down the water in soil are eroded. Next है bend erosion. What is bend erosion? Bend erosion is the detachment, transportation and reposition of soil particles by wind. This process are mainly 3 kinds of erosion. First one is saltation. Saltation is the first stage of movement of soil particles in surface or jump. Soil particle size 0.1 to 0.5 mm in diameter. These soil particles are jump by wind in one place to another place and deposition, saltation. Second one, surface creep. The movement of large soil particle among the surface of the soil after being loosened by impact of sliding particle. The soil particle are 0.5 to 3 mm. They are lower layer and move down. The soil particle. The soil particle are 0.5 to 3 mm. And next one, suspension. Very fine soil particle are lifted by air. There are very long distance cover. There are very fine soil particle. The size is less than 0.1 mm. Soil particles. Management and control of different control methods are applied for reduce soil erosion. And cover vegetative crop, agronomical method, minimize tillage process and cultural process, improve organic content, improve green manuring in the field, and mulching. Crop are grown multi-stories, crop rotation application in the eroded soil. Now today cover soil erosion and classification and control measures. This chapter. Thank you.